So what I did is I got a bottle, like an orange juice bottle, stick it on this side, and I stick an air hose on this side right here for this transmission, and I spray air through there, and all the fluid that's in the radiator will go back into this bottle. If you can see it, all this fluid in there. And then at the same time, I was able to find why this transmission went out in the first place. And I found that this hose right here is leaking oil. It's always good to check everything, double check, and make sure you don't put a transmission back on and this happens to it. That's no good.